Clap, clap! Clap, Miguel!
Palakpakan po natin si Jollibee. Thank you for that wonderful dance number. And now, Mommy and Daddy together with Miguel. Dito na po tayo sa gitna for the candle blowing. Okay, kids, dito rin tayo sa unahan. Samahan natin si Miguel sa kanyang candle blowing. Kids, dito tayo sa unahan. Alright, so everybody, let's clap our hands for Miguel and sing happy birthday. 1, 2, 3, sing! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Mas malakas! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. At ang count to 3, let's all shout happy birthday, Miguel. 1, 2, 3, shout! Ayan. Okay, pwede po yung blow candle. Okay, so happy birthday, Miguel. And now, Mommy and Daddy, your wishes for Miguel.
First birthday, Miguel. Ang wish ko sana maging healthy siya. Tapos maging good boy siya paglaki niya. At saka maging
Okay, so thank you, man, for that wonderful wishes. And of course, Daddy,
Same lang din siguro.
okay, palakpakan natin si Mommy and Daddy. And of course, hindi lang po si Mommy and Daddy ang may wishes for Miguel, pati si Jollibee. Yes. How many wishes do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. Ay, ilan ba talaga ang wishes mo? 3 wishes. First wish. Nasaan po si Miguel? Ayun si Miguel. Miguel, to grow up, maging padasalin, at may takot sa Diyos. Palakpakan mo natin si Jollibee. Second wish, Miguel, to grow up, maging mapagmahal, like Mommy and Daddy. Third wish, Miguel, to grow up, always smile and be happy like Jollibee. Hello, Jollibee. Choose one gift that you want to open for Miguel. Miguel, happy birthday from Kat and Vincent. Palakpakan po natin lahat ang nandito. Wow, tama! bigyan natin ng gift dahil si Miguel may ihandang loot bags sa lahat ng kids. Kaya kids, pila sa unahan!
Ako pa ang name of Sita, 21. It's been a long time coming, but we're here now. Everybody's ready to move on fire. Better get going, stop getting high.
Okay. So, papatiin niyo ng happy birthday si Miguel. Kuya! Kuya! Papatiin niyo happy birthday si Miguel, ha? Okay, thank you. Next.
Happy birthday, Miguel.
Ate, teka lang ate. Diba? Okay yung mga kids na wala pa pong loot bag, punta dito sa unahan. Alright kids, punta dito sa unahan, meron pa tayong pabitin. Ready? Go! Okay, so for now, si Jollibee mag-goodbye na po sa atin dahil siya ay babalik na sa Kiniland. So let's all say goodbye, Jollibee! Thank you for joining us here.